So this right here.
That's the water one, yeah.
That's for your water.
Yeah.
One's for your house and one's for this. So let's see which one it is first.
I think it's that one.
This one's for the house? Or
Yeah. No, that's for the irrigation.
For the irrigation, okay. So you do that. Where is...
Yeah, this one is different.
You do not have a drain on there.
That's what I was...
A hose bib. Well,
Yeah.
this is going to drain it here. You're going to take these off.
Okay.
And this is your filter in here. You always want to clean that filter out.
Okay.
Even though we're not going to run it, but we don't want anything hardening up on it. Clean that out there. Splash that out of there.
Oh, there's two.
One. Yeah, one's for the front and one's for the back. Get that drained out. Get these all cleaned up in there. Get that mineral buildup out of there. You can actually stick fertilizer sticks in these.
Oh, yeah.
If you wanted to, and that way it's constantly fertilizing. So let that drain out. And we're going to go and leave this open. This is your backflow prevention. We're going to leave it open so if it does freeze, which is a good thing you have these to give that protection, but we'll leave this open so if it, for some reason it does, it'll allow for expansion.
I see.
And everything
Whereas
will be
before
open.
we used to shut that off.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you can just leave it open. I mean, you
okay.
can close one if you want, but as long as it's open and it allows for expansion, you have protection,
Right.
that added protection. It's going to be all drained anyway, so you're not even going to have to worry about it. Keep getting that water out of there. Let that keep draining. And you want to see how to do the time clock?
That I got.